We're gonna go through this gate and continue exploring. Hey friends, welcome back. I'm here in Jodhpur in India, and today's video we're gonna continue this journey that began from the previous video. Exploring, wandering, getting lost, of course, in this beautiful city and beautiful country. Incredible, unbelievable country. So let's go and explore. Look at this building, man. Oh my god. It's amazing, like, just amazing. So much. Look how they make the baskets here, right? It's like bamboo baskets. Yeah, and there you go. Here you go, it's the bamboo. All the bamboo sticks ready to be sold for whatever. Oh my god, this is so interesting. They make ladders here, you can see. They use them for buildings and all that good stuff. What is this, like spears? Oh, it's amazing. Hello, how are you? Tika. Hello. And there's more there as well. Very, very interesting, man. And those are like seats, very, very high as well. They look like this. What would you use that for? Like, it's like a ladder. Oh, okay, yeah, you can use it like for painting, right? It's like you climb the ladder and you sit there and you do like labor work. Super random. This is the way how it is. Right, let's continue walking, enjoying, and see what we're gonna unfold on this walk. Everybody honking. And I'm gonna turn right here and see what we are gonna get off to. You can see all this. Look at this statue. Oh my god, the details on that. It's amazing. Here we go in. We're here now. Might as well. Wow. Look at that elephant. This is one of the gods there as well. Look how colorful this is. It's incredible. So beautiful, right? This is like India in a shop, basically. At least part of it. GG, yes. No, never. I'll never be. One day. Everybody wants to know if you're famous or not when you're vlogging. I don't do it for the fame. Fame is the last thing in my mind actually about vlogging. कैसे हो?
Yes.
कैसे हो?
ठीक हूँ.
ठीक है? अच्छा.
आपका YouTube चैनल क्या है?
मोद्राज.
मोद्राज.
जी. You know, like Hindi language is actually not that difficult. If I really commit to learn it, you can actually learn. I wouldn't be able to say what he said to me, but I understood what he said to me. He was just like asking me what is my channel's name. Anyway, where are we now? Which way are we gonna go? It's like there's so much happening here, there, and there. I think I wanna go. Let's go there, right? It's like narrow street, so exotic. I love those streets. By the way, FYI guys, stay away from these. I say that because I got bitten yesterday by a dog. So I'm looking around me now. If there's a dog coming over, I want to stay away from it. The Min Cave. Man, that is art. Oh, I like this. What is this? Cafe and rooftop restaurant. I just love the art, like, you know? The art is amazing. Hello. How are you? Look at that. Very nice. Very pop, hip-hop kind of style. Hello. How are you, brother? confused, like, you know. But I'm not gonna go upstairs. I just want to continue be out and exploring. How old this building is. Oh my god. So bike on rent. Ah, that's interesting. So I see the sign, but
Are you a YouTuber?
yes, I am.
Oh, you're from?
I'm from Ireland.
From Ireland. It's a European country?
European country, yes.
What is the name of your
My
YouTube
channel is Mo Draj.
Because I will see this one video. I will check.
You are in the vlog now.
Yeah, I'm Indian, but I'm living in Dubai.
Ah, okay.
Here is my parental house. So I just came for some repairing, so the reconstruction and all.
I see.
And that's why you can see my look like this.
But you look good, brother. Come on, what's wrong with you? You look good.
Really?
I think the government apparently today they shut down the internet for some reason.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, why?
No. Maybe there's some political issues, maybe some riots somewhere,
Yeah,
and some fake news is spreading very fastly. Maybe.
I see.
And especially in Jodhpur, something is going on. I cannot see on the video.
be careful. Yeah, it's
Because,
okay. No, but I won't get you into trouble. Well, brother, what's your name?
Kazi.
Kazi?
Kazi.
Kazi.
Q-U-A-Z-I.
Kazi.
Kazi.
Nice to meet you. What a nice guy. All right, let's continue exploring. What is this here? This is random, right? Blue buildings. I did hear that there is a blue city here or a blue street. We'll probably cover it in another video. I'm not even sure where it is on the map. But right now we're just gonna wander and explore. Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
You are recording, you know?
Sorry?
This is record.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, this is pharmacy.
I see. Yeah. This is a pharmacy, and what's funny is, do you have tissues?
Many tissues.
Tissues. I really wanted tissues actually. Oh yeah. How much is this? One. I just want one pack.
box 20.
No, I want just one pack.
It's 20 rupees.
20 rupees. Can I have one?
Open, no problem.
No problem.
I have.
I.
Open. Here, here, okay. Yes.
He wants to be the cameraman when I open this. I love it. Oh yeah, there it is. We got a scissors, just like that, and
Almost.
because I'm sick, I have like a runny nose.
Oh, then you medicine. You take medicine many more. And for pharmacy.
You should be a vlogger.
Thank you.
You're really good with the
Really?
camera, yeah.
Wow.
I love it.
Thank you, my dear.
Right, let me pay him and we continue the journey. I just finished from the pharmacy, but look at this gate. Oh my god. Oh wow, so amazing. Look at this door. Oh, it's incredible. There's not much to go here, there's just houses. But I thought it was like really interesting, right? Why does it say here? It says welcome to Blue City, but I know Blue City is not really here. You know? It's not. Alright, let's continue walking this way, exploring the neighborhoods, and then we'll make like probably our way out of this area and see something else. Probably in this video or another video. I don't know, we'll see. I'll go this way. Not sure what this is. Let's go and check it out. I like the design, the style. Oh, it's so beautiful. So many hidden gems, like. Look how gorgeous this is. And this is like a hat, it's very famous here. Very nice. We're gonna continue this way, and now we are going actually up, so this is like an uphill. You know, you can see the fort, it's not really far from here, you know. Very nice. Yeah, but it's still, I don't think this is the Blue City, even though like there are like a lot of blue buildings. It's definitely not. It's not what it is. कैसे हो? ठीक है? High five. अच्छा. Well, the thing is, like, it is not Blue City just yet because, well, it does look like it. I mean, we're entering Blue City clearly. The fort, I asked, is this way. There's a lot of blue buildings here. Beautiful art as well. I'm gonna continue this way, alright? Look at this art here. Very beautiful. Special. Hello. How are you? ठीक है? Yeah, it's very nice here actually. Look at this art. Gorgeous. So yeah, I am actually in Blue City, I would say. You know, it's amazing how they painted all the buildings blue. I don't know what the purpose behind it, but I can't think of any other reason besides tourism. You know, it makes sense. And look at that. Very beautiful art as well, and it's well maintained. People don't ruin it, you know. You can see it here too. Fake windows, all based on art. All the dogs here, man. After getting bitten by a dog yesterday. Not good. Stay where you are. Do not come to me. So many. And by the way, like, for those who are wondering, they can see, like, you know, the garbage here, and you can see it is only here, but there's no more garbage like along the streets. And the reason why is they just like put it in a pile, right? Because there isn't like a garbage bin. So they put it in a pile, and I don't know, the government or somebody, I don't know who, like, you know, it's really unclear, and they didn't investigate it. But what happens is they come and pick it up, you know. So it's not like dirty, like, oh, the streets are dirty. Because they're quite clean here, you know.
Hello.
कैसे हो? ठीक है? Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, fine. Yeah, Sumit.
सुमित सर सेटिंग का
Super. Bye bye. There's more art here. This is nice actually.
This is nice.
Oh, I love walking in, you know, where the locals are. Blue City. I can't. Oh, it's just everything is blue here. Except this house, they decided not to be part of. Hello. They decided not to be part of the Blue City, which is fine. But am I gonna walk back, like, to the fort? I'm still contemplating whether to visit the fort or not. Hello. Hello. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. He has a balloon in his hand. He has a water balloon in his hand. He was like, keep walking, keep walking. I'll throw it at you, keep walking. It's funny. Oh, what a view. Wow. Look at that. Nice. This is just random, like, you know. You walk and you find how gorgeous this horse is. Hey buddy. Oh, very beautiful. There's another horse inside too. This is a stable in the middle of nowhere. Well, not in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the Blue City, I guess. You know? And these boys... High five.
Hello.
High five. कैसे हो?
ठीक है.
ठीक है?
आप कैसे हो?
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
This guy is looking after the horse. Very nice. Yeah, it's amazing. Random, like. See what I mean? They are like the dogs. Oh man, I just got bitten by a dog yesterday. You know? Yeah? I don't want. Thank you, brother. Come here. No, come there, come there. Oh man, thank you very much. I'm not afraid of dogs, but now you can see the way how they are, like, especially here, you know, they're different than the rest. Hello.
YouTube blogger.
Yes.
Your channel name?
Modraj.
Modraj.
G.
Hello. Modraj, you subscribe.
I love you.
Hi, what are your name? Subscribe and like.
Yes, TK. Thank you very much.
Bye. Subscribe, like, comment. Subscribe. हम इंडियन हैं, आपका करना है subscribe और like, ठीक है? Like, share, comment, like.
I love you girls. You're amazing. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh my god, you can't buy that. I love them. Well, you heard the girls. कैसे हो? ठीक है? High five. अच्छा. Hello. Hi. Hey. Do you know what? I couldn't care less about a blue city and art and all that. This makes my day 10,000 times much more than any blue city in the world. Well, let's just continue here, and we're almost at the very end of this video as well. More blue city and blue buildings. The art is absolutely worth it, by the way. Incredible. कैसे हो? ठीक है? Yeah? I could see them, they were a bit shy in front of the camera. And wow, this actually just keeps on going, like, you know, the blue city. And I just love it, like the narrow alleys that you get to explore and meet the locals, like, you know, this is like a great walk. Hello. How are you? ठीक है? Gee. I love it. Hello. Hello. Oh man, you can't beat that. Ladies and gentlemen, if you made it this far, thank you all for watching. Please do consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Give the video a thumbs up, it helps me, and it helps with the algorithms, of course. And as always, hello. See you on the next one.